Hello, this is Mentor Sabrina, and in this video I will be going over how to do modular arithmetic in Python Mini. So in my other video, the first example I showed you was that I did 42 divided by, 4. 42 divided by 4. Now if I just use division here, because these are both integers, not floats, they don't have a visible decimal point here, when I run it, it will only print out what the integer division is. It won't print out 10 point and whatever comes after the decimal. The way to see that decimal, we'd have to change one of these. We'd have to change one of these. I'm in insert mode. There we go. One of these to have a decimal point. And I see it shows 10.5. Well, if we wanted to get what that remainder is, because if it divides evenly by 10, and then we know that 4 times 10 is 40, subtract 40 from 42 and we get 2, this remainder is 2. Well, that's just finding out what 42 mod 4 is. And to do that, the operator in Python is the %. So if I write print 42 mod 4, now I get that the remainder is 2. If I wanted to find out what the last digit is of this number right here, I wanted the 7, I would just do 327 mod 10. And I get a 7, which is what the last digit is here. Now, let's say I have this value, 22.45. Now I want to round this number to the nearest tenths place. But to do that, I have to look at what's in the hundredths place. Well, modular arithmetic does not work with decimals. In fact, what we need to do for this is change this to an integer by moving this decimal point over 2 spaces. So it's after this value. And then do mod 10 again to get this value. So to do that, we would say x equals x times 100, because that will move this decimal point over 2 spaces. And then we want to do print x mod 10. And notice I get 5. Actually, I get 5.0 because x is a float. If I want to be able to compare this to the number 5 on its own, I'd have to change this to x mod 10 here. And now it's an integer. And that's all you need to see about doing modular arithmetic in Python. So there you go.